Now we are going to discuss about 6th standard CBSE syllabus mathematics exercise 1.2. Before going to 1.2, we will like to see the concepts as adding the numbers. How we are going to add the numbers. Observe these two numbers 254398, 254398 and 146851. I am trying to add these two numbers. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 14, 4 here, 1 is the carry, 3 plus 8 11, plus 1 12, 2, 1 carry, 1 plus 6 10, plus 1 11, 1 here, 1 is the carry, 1 plus 5 6, plus 4 10, 0 here, 1 is the carry, and 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. This is how we are going to add the numbers. See these two small numbers 79214118. I'm sorry, these are the two numbers 21418. These three are the numbers what we are going to add one with other. 79214118. 9 plus 4 13, plus 8 21, 1 here, 2 is the carry, 2 plus 1 3, plus 1 4, plus 7 11, 1 is here, 1 is the carry, 2 plus 1 3, like this. In this way we are going to add the numbers. Okay. Now we will look into the exercise 1.2. Read this problem carefully. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. How many days? 4 days. The number of tickets sold at the counter are on the first day, second day, third day, and final day are 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. These are the number of tickets sold for a book exhibition for 4 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. What we have to do? We have to add all these numbers to get the tickets on all the 4 days. We will see the solution. The number of tickets sold on first day 1094. Okay, now tell me students, the number of tickets sold on second day 1812. The number of tickets sold on third day 2050, and the number of tickets sold on final day 2751. If we can add these four numbers, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 7, 9 plus 1 10, plus 5 15, plus 5 20, 0, 2 is the carry, 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 7 17, 7, 1 is the carry, 1 plus 2 3, 5 7. If I can add all these four numbers, 7707 tickets were sold for all the 4 days. Students, what I did, I was simply adding all these four values to get the total number of tickets. Okay. Next sum. Shaker is a famous cricket player. He has scored so far 6980. That means 6980 runs in the test matches, and he would like to complete 10,000 runs. So how many runs does he need? What we have to do? We have to do subtraction. The number of runs he scored is 6980, and he would like to score 10,000. He is planning to score 10,000. So how many runs does he need? He need 10,000 minus 6,980, that is 3020. we have to subtract these two values one from other, from 10,000 to 6,980. Okay, if you can want to check it out the value, you can add 6980 plus 3020. If you can add these two numbers, you will get this number. Okay, this is the way of subtraction. So finally, Shaker needs 3020 more runs to complete his 10,000 runs. Okay, next. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes, and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin? By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So what we have to do? We have to subtract the value of 3,48,700 from this value, 5,77,500. See the solution. The number of votes secured by successful candidate is 5,77,500, and the rival has got 3,48,700. If you can subtract this value, the margin is 2,28,800. Okay, this is how we can get the margin. Next problem. Therefore, the successful candidate won by a margin of 2,28,800 votes. Next problem we will look into see. Kirti bookstore sold books worth of 2,85,891. Okay, in the first week of June, and the books worth of 4,768 in the second week of the month. Okay, in the first week they have sold this much of books. In the second week they sold this much of book. How much sale was for the first 2 weeks together? Together means what we have to do? We have to add these two values. Okay, and in which week the sale was greater and by how much? Clearly the second week is the sale is higher. How much means we have to subtract this value. Okay, we have to subtract this value from this value, 4,768 minus 2,85,891. First we will look into the question number 1, this first question. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Together means we have to add. Sale of the book on first week is 2,85,891, and in the second week 4,768, plus we have to do addition to get the total sale of the book in 2 weeks. It is, if we can add these values, it is 6,86,659 is the value. Sale was greater in second week by, we have to, earlier I told you, we have to subtract 4,768 minus 2,85,891. The value is 4,768 minus 2,85,891 is equals to 1,14,877. So the sale was greater in second week by 1,14,877. Next problem we will see. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written by using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each only once. That means the number shouldn't be repeated. We have to write, we have to formulate the greatest number by using these digits and the smallest number, and we have to find the difference between them. 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So we would like to find the greatest, means we have to write these numbers in descending order. 7 is the value, 6 is the value, next 4, 3 and 2, 7, 6, 3, 2. To find the greatest number, we are writing this number, these digits in descending order, and by putting the comma it is 76,432. To get the smallest number, we have to reverse this number, means we have to write in increasing pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And by subtracting, the value is 52,976. Next, a merchant had 78,592 rupees with her. Okay, she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets, each cost 1200 rupees each. So how much money will remain with her after the purchase? A merchant has 78,592 rupees, but the merchant purchases 40 radios at 1200 rupees. That means 40 into 1200, that is 48,000. She has 78,592. So the remaining money is 78,592 minus 48,000. That is 30,592. Okay. We will see the next problem. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Initially, the student multiplied by 65 instead of 56. Okay. So 7236 into 65 is equals to 4,70,340. But the number is to be multiplied by 56. That is the correct one. So 7236 into 56 is equals to 4,05,216. Therefore, the difference between the correct and the incorrect value is, see here, 4,70,340 minus 4,05,216. That is, if you can make the difference between these two, it is 65,124. Therefore, the first answer was greater than the second one by the value 65,124. Ninth problem. To stitch a shirt, 2 meters 15 centimeters cloth is needed. Out of 40 centimeters cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? What we have to do? We have to convert the data in centimeters. Cloth required to stitch one shirt is equals to 2 meters 15 centimeters. That means 2 into 100 centimeters plus 15 centimeters, because we have to convert the data in centimeters. That means finally it is 215 centimeters. The length of the cloth is equals to 40 meters. Okay, total length of the cloth is 40 meters. If we can convert into centimeters, its value is 40 into 100, that is equals to 4000 centimeters. But the number of shirts can be stitched is 4000 divided by 215, that is equals to 18.6. But we cannot consider the number of shirts in decimals, right? 18.6 shirts is not the correct one. So we can say that 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeters, that means 1 meter 30 centimeters cloth will remain. Okay, this is the answer. Now, the 10th sum. Medicine is packed in boxes each weighing 4 kgs, 500 grams. That means 4.5 kgs. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kgs? We know the values of 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. That means 4 kgs 500 grams is equals to 4000 plus 500. That means 4500 grams. Weight of one box is equals to 4500 grams. But the maximum weight that the van can carry is 800 kgs. If we can convert into grams, 800 into thousands, that means 8 lakhs grams. So the total number of boxes that can be carried is 8 lakhs by 4500 grams. That is 177.777. 177 boxes. 177 boxes they can carry. The 11th problem. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Each day that student she walks both ways, right? She is going to the school and she is coming back from the school. Find the total distance covered in 6 days. Listen carefully. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. First we have to do the distance between the school and home is equals to 1875. But she is coming back. That means we have to distance between school and home is 1875 and distance between home and school is 1875. If we can add this value, we get 3750 meters, the total distance covered in one day. For 6 days means what we have to do? We have to multiply this value. The total distance covered in 6 days is equals to 3750 into 6. That is 22,500 meters. Okay, we can write this as 22 kilometers 500 meters distance covered in 6 days. Next problem. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. 4 liters and 500 ml. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity? Glass capacity is 25 ml. It can be filled. Total quantity of the curd is, as he was given, 4 liter and 500 ml. That means 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. We know. So the total quantity in ml is 4000 plus 500. That is 4500 ml. The capacity of each glass is 25 ml. So the total number of glasses can be filled is total quantity of the curd by capacity of each glass. That means 4500 by 25, that is 180 glasses. We have to make division here. That's all about this exercise 1.2. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.